outside access. It's to Hazard. This is where he can be so dangerous, swaying from side to side. Eden Hazard on the left foot.
And it's a long ball on as well.
He can play those well, Ederson. Backtracking was Alonso. Bernardo Silva still 10 goals this season in the opening 15 minutes of games. Twice as many as the next best, which is Arsenal. He's certainly more comfortable since the signing of Higuain, who's looking to get on the end of this one. And Ederson had read the flight of the Genio, who came so close to joining Manchester City. Higuain trying to work room for a shot. Blocked by John. That was a lovely touch as well. Higuain comes towards the near post. Here he is, Gonzalo Higuain, the Argentine on loan from Juventus.
The City lighter shirts they have now, but that's a foul. But
hopefully, still Bernardo Silva. There's the cross. There's Aguero. Oh, goodness me! He's put it wide.
Wow, Bernardo Silva. But look at the skill. Goes past 3 or 4 players and then puts it on a plate for arguably the best goal scorer in the Premier League. I literally can't believe what I've just seen. What play from first De Bruyne. Great little ball. Sterling feeds him in, the pullback's just behind. And there's no excuse for that. And look at it.
And here's Conte bringing the ball away for Chelsea. Now Higuain, and the flag was up. He was coming back from an offside position. Didn't. Zinchenko, excuse me. And then it's Aguero. Zinchenko showing super pace in the big games. Lovely ball. Free kick taken to Bernardo Silva. Across it goes. Chance to the back post of Sterling, 1-0. 3.5 minutes on the clock. Sterling with it, the quick thinking from the free kick, the wonderful cross from Bernardo Silva. First blood to City, they lead 1-0. Well, it's quick thinking by Manchester City. Raheem Sterling with the opening goal. They're making a habit of scoring early in recent games in the Premier League.
You've got to do that early. Bernardo Silva gets a little bit of luck with the cross, but Raheem Sterling with bodies in front of him knows if he goes high, there's a chance of scoring.
It's a great finish by Sterling.
Really sloppy defending from Chelsea. Caught out on a quick free kick.
It's teams that just sit back.
Aguero through again. Kepa goes to ground. What a strike. And the oohs and the ahs you heard there were the big screen. Aguero gets the shot away! Absolutely sensational! That is quite brilliant. A rampant champion to 2-0 up.
Well, I can forgive him the tap-in now for this. He wasn't going to... What?
Having missed a virtual open goal from a yard or 2 out, he then curls one into the top corner from outside the penalty area.
Rudiger just 1 step behind him. Accuracy, despite the palm.
This is going to be more and more significant as the games tick down. And as it stands with an awful pitch. Speaking of Manchester United, the caretaker manager, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, is here. Control of the ball in the area. Could fall here to Barkley. Round 1 challenge. Tries the curler. Wasn't too far away. Scoops it up towards Aguero. Is well watched by Luis. But sent back towards his own goal by Barkley. Thank you very much, Sergio Aguero. City heading back to the top. They lead 3-0.
Well, it looked to me like he wasn't too sure whether someone was going to come.
That's what Ross Barkley has just done. Chelsea are capitulating at the home of the Centurions and the champions.
Didn't put enough on it to get it back to Kepa, so you've got to head it backwards and clatter him. The ball gets headed out by... I don't think he was aiming that back at the goalkeeper. I don't know where he...
Aguero turns away from Rudiger. He's got Bernardo down the right-hand side. Mike finds Barkley, the step over from Hazard, but he didn't continue his run. He started to sprint and then Aguero into Higuain. That's a good-looking turn. Lovely back flick. Pedro's in, and it's a save by Ederson. Advantage being played, I think. The chip into the area. Doesn't beat Laporte at the near. A 4th goal for Manchester City. Here's Aguero on a hat-trick. Rudiger with the save. The shot comes in. It's 4-0. Ilkay Gundogan. They'll be top of the Premier League again tonight on goal difference. Pep Guardiola says the title may be decided on goal difference. This isn't going to hurt. How many will it be in the final reckoning?
Look at his position again, Aguero. Goes into that space just like the first goal. He ends up getting the ball in the box again.
I think the speed at which Gundogan strikes the ball.
How easy is that? He's had 2 touches. Goes short, gets the ball in the box, no one near him. Yes, they stopped the first shot.
Now he needs support, and it's a little slow in arriving. Bernardo Silva in space again on this right-hand side. Heavy first touch this time. Alonso gets the challenge in. Pedro, Azpilicueta, the ball comes in. Will it find Alonso? I wouldn't have guessed the opponents on that occasion. Sunderland. To get anything from this game, 4-0 down. Alonso, there's the cross. Higuain. Is Hazard. Pedro again, left-footed straight at Ederson. Silva gets the challenge in. Now Barkley wins the header. Nodded on by Higuain, who Conte. Got it towards Barkley. And a hot clear by Sergio. Higuain, oh, what a save! And what a goal that would have been!
Look at the accuracy of that. And he's got enough time there, Ederson. It's a good save.
And every time Chelsea have asked the question, Ederson has been equal to it.
The quality of this, the ball sits up beautifully, just steps onto it. But he sees it all the way. His starting position's perfect. He's alive and alert.
Silva with Sterling. Oh, lovely drop of the shoulder. Raheem Sterling. Rudiger is the defender, and Rudiger in the end does. Now Bernardo Silva, look at the run inside him from Kyle Walker. Walker with the cross. Luis. Another one of those lovely balls. If the flag was up, it wouldn't have counted. And he goes to the near, looking for the flick on.
It's about
Pedro over the head of Higuain. Falls here to Jorginho. Slices his shot well wide. It still might be. Here's Sterling weaving his way into the area. Still Raheem Sterling. I think that was out of play. He had Ross Barkley in the left-footed cross. The header goes in off the crossbar by Aguero. Almost a hat-trick. Here's Gundogan. Now Aguero. And slides it in towards De Bruyne. Nicely played down the right-hand side. Here's Azpilicueta. Hazard coming in off the left flank. He was aiming.
Which I'm very knowledgeable about.
Zinchenko. Oh, that's a good cross. De Bruyne, saved by Kepa. Sterling against Azpilicueta, penalty. Aguero to make it 5. Easy as you like. Every goal seems significant for Sergio Aguero.
Never in doubt. Look at him watching Kepa, waiting for the goalkeeper to make the first move, and just slots it calmly.
And he's tied with Alan Shearer with his 11th Premier League hat-trick. And Manchester City leads Chelsea by 5-0.
Coolly into the other corner. He could have had 5 today. Hit the crossbar, missed the sitter.
Aguero. Rudiger. Sterling inside of Rudiger. Very direct running here. Rudiger just managed to get back. Conte. Now is Hazard against Kyle Walker into the side net. It's a good one. It's a tester for David Silva. Oh, look at that ball to Zinchenko. Squared in, 6-0. Raheem Sterling got things started in the 4th minute to the champions Manchester City.
Well, you can take that right back to the goalkeeper. They played it out, they got out, they played really.
And he now plunders Manchester City's 6th goal. It's a tennis score.